How to keep myself center in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to position yourself in the center of your editing in the CapCut. After you open the CapCut like this, now here is now my video. I want it to be in the center of the screen. So go to this option. So go to guideline and ruler. So enable the horizontal line. Here is it. Go to the menu again, guideline and ruler. So add the vertical. So this is vertical and this is horizontal. So now this line are in the center of the screen. So all you have to do now, go ahead now and drag the video to be in the center. So after I drag the video to be in the center, so now here is the video. So click on the scale button to scale it again like this. So adjust it to be in the center again like this. So now my video is in the center of the screen, and that's it. If you want to remove the guideline ruler, go to this option and then go to the guideline ruler. So now clear. So now I remove the guideline. Now my video in the center of the screen, as you can see, and that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.